If you like making pipe cleaner animals, you'll love this mouse. It's easy to make in a few simple steps, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need 5 white pipe cleaners, 1 pink pipe cleaner, a pencil, something with a thin handle such as a paintbrush, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Cut the pink pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Twist the very end of one of the halves into a tiny little mouse nose. Hold one end of a white pipe cleaner against the narrow handle of a paintbrush. Twist the pipe cleaner around the handle a few times so that the coils are right next to each other, and then make the rest of the coils one on top of the other to make the mouse nose and head. Hold the end of another white pipe cleaner onto the head that you just made and coil it around a few more times. Remove the paintbrush handle and hold the tail end of that pipe cleaner up against a pencil. Coil it around, one coil right next to the other. Add another pipe cleaner to the last half of your new coil on the pencil to create a mouse body. Bundle it one coil on top of the other to make a thick body. Remove the pencil. Now insert the tail end of the pink pipe cleaner with the nose at the other end. Use a pencil to help you curl up the end of the pipe cleaner into a curled mouse tail. Fold another white pipe cleaner in half and insert the bottom of the V between the head and the body coil, so right at the neck area. These are going to be the ears. So coil down each side of the pipe cleaner into a nice flat tight coil to make the ears. Do this on each side. Cut the last white pipe cleaner in half. Each half will be used to make the front or the back legs. Fold each half in half and then curl up the ends to make feet. Do this for the front and the back legs. Insert the legs right behind the ears into a body coil so that the feet are straight down. You can bend the ends of the feet up. Do the same thing for the back legs. Insert the legs between the last two body coils. Cut the remaining half of the pink pipe cleaner in half. With each one of these, roll down a very tight, flat coil. This is going to be the inside of the ears. Leave a small tail at the end. Insert the small tail into the head so that the pink parts sets flat up against the white ears. Do the same thing for the other side. The last step is to use thick white craft glue to glue on the googly eyes. Use a generous amount and press the eyes in place. Once the glue is completely dry, your mouse is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.